you're already in the UK on a family visa as a dependent, you can apply to extend your stay. This guide will walk you through the process. Hi, I'm Falguni Y Parekh, solicitor and founder at the Smart Move to UK. Welcome to your guide on extending your UK dependent visa. It is strongly advised to submit your application at least 2 months before your current permission to stay in the UK expires. Remember, you can apply at any time before your current visa expires. To successfully extend your dependent visa, you must continue to meet the same eligibility criteria that were in place when you initially applied. Let's look at the requirements for partners and children. For partners, you must still be legally married or in a civil partnership with the main visa holder. You are required to provide proof of an honest and continuous connection with your partner. You must also demonstrate your intention to live together permanently in the UK and provide evidence that you still live with your partner. This can include your original marriage or civil partnership certificate and evidence of cohabitation such as joint bank statements, tenancy agreements, or utility bills. For dependent children, they must be under 18 years old at the time of the application. If they are already over 18, they must have already been granted a dependent visa and must not be living independently. Children aged 16 or above have specific requirements. They must reside with the main visa holder unless in full-time education. They must not be married, in a civil partnership, or have children, and they must be financially sponsored by the main visa holder. You will need to provide a child's original birth certificate and proof of child dependency if they are 16 or older, such as bank statements showing financial support and a letter from their educational institution confirming their address. Regarding financial conditions, if you have been in the UK on a dependent visa for more than 1 year, you typically do not need to supply further proof of financial support. However, if your stay has been less than 12 months, you must provide evidence that you possess sufficient funds to support yourself and any family members included in your application. For example, for a skilled worker visa, there are specific amounts required for a spouse, the first child, and each additional child. You must provide several essential documents when applying for your dependent visa extension. These typically include the Global Web Form (GWF) or Unique Application Number (UAN) of the main visa holder to link your applications correctly. You also need proof of your identity, such as your passport. Depending on whether you are a partner or a child, further documents like your marriage or civil partnership certificate, evidence of cohabitation, or your child's birth certificate will be required. Be aware that the Home Office may request additional documentation. The application process involves several key steps. First, you need to complete and submit the correct visa extension application form online through the Gov UK website. Crucially, include the main visa holder's GWF or UAN. Next, you must pay the required fees for the extension and the healthcare surcharge. Then, you will need to attend a biometrics appointment to provide your fingerprints and photo. Finally, you submit or upload all the necessary supporting documents to UK visas and immigration. You can generally expect a decision on your visa extension application within approximately 8 weeks. If you need a faster decision, you might be able to pay for a priority service for a decision within 5 working days or a super priority service for a decision within 1 working day for an additional fee. Here are some key points to remember. You must apply before your current visa expires. While your application is being processed, you are generally permitted to continue living, working, and studying in the UK provided you applied before your current visa expired. It is strongly advised against traveling outside the UK while your application is being considered. Please like, subscribe, and leave any comments below. Extending your UK dependent visa can be complex. Need expert guidance and support to ensure a smooth and successful UK dependent visa extension application? Contact the Smart Move to UK today. Our experienced UK immigration specialists can help you navigate the requirements, prepare your documents, and submit your application with confidence.